Alright, so we are out here at Waterfall on Lake Travis. This is the South Shore Marina. The lake. There's the trail we just walked down. Awesome. Look at these boats. It's a private marina. Did I mention that? It's private. So, when you get your condo, you get private access. Okay, so look. There's the condos right there. So if you're in that penthouse, your view is probably mind-blowing. Awesome. Look at this. And this is new. This is all new. Look at this. Keep it up to date. It doesn't have spider webs everywhere. This is new. Get out here, guys. Get you a condo. Get you a Waterfall condo.